Yeah, it looks pretty toasted right there, boy. I tell you what.
Okay.
My blower motor resistor is starting to go out, so it's time to change it. And you can see here when I turn on the fan on level 1, it's not blowing any air. You can actually hear the fans outside the truck working. On the second one, you can hear it work. Third, fourth, and fifth. So right now it's just on one that's not working, but eventually they'll all go out, and I'm just gonna go ahead and fix it right now.
Why? Because I gotta.
There's many models and brands out there. I decided to go with this one from Dorman, and I'm using on my 01 Tahoe. Just make sure your connector looks the same on the bottom. There's a plug and play connector for your fan motor, and the box is right over here, but I'll have it linked down below in the description for you guys. And it also comes with the plug and play connector in case your harness is damaged. You can go ahead and replace it. It should be a real easy install. It's got 2 bolts holding it, and of course the 2 plug and play connectors. This cover has to come off, and there's gonna be some 7mm holding it. There's one, there's a second one back here, and a third one on this side. You might have a little bit of a hard time getting it if you have a console, but you might not have to get that third one, at least these 2, to bring this cover down. That's the second one. There's actually supposed to be 4. There's one missing right over here. I don't have it on mine, so that's probably why it came off faster. That's the only one holding it on the edge. There's our resistor harness, the resistor, and the bolts holding it in place. You want to use the 732 socket to remove them. There it is. It looks pretty old and busted. We can unplug this one. To make it easier and unplug the back connector, we're gonna remove this bolt here, and it'll bring this cover down. There's actually another bolt in the back, but you don't have to take that one off, just the front one. Now you can see the connector better. And we can push this clip back and it'll release it. There it is. That was the harder one to reach. You can see where it kind of got burnt on the original one. So yeah, it was definitely time to change it out. On both sides, kind of burnt up. And it was the original. It was a Delphi. There's the part number. They look a little bit different, but they have the same mounting style tabs.
Same, but different. But still same.
The only thing that you can kind of see is the relay and harness are flipped around on both of them. I guess they can't copy each other, but they both plug and play and they bolt right up. This one's a little bit taller, but it fits in the air box. And now we can go ahead and install the new one, because this one is just not gonna do it anymore. If I can find me a new one, I would buy another Delphi, but it's hard to find these. I had to put a sweater on top of this cover because it kind of gets in the way. And we can go ahead and do the connector first from the back side. All right, there's the connector. All right, there you can see it lines up, and we can put back the 2 bolts. we can put our plug and play connector back. It's locked up into place. Let's test them all out. All right, there it is. You can actually hear it. And the second one works. Third and fifth. They're all working now. That was a simple fix, and now we have all the fan speeds working. But if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and share the video, and I'll see you on the next one.